Alright guys, well, I have a vertical video here today because I figured if anyone's going to be watching a video like this, they're most likely going to be sitting in their car looking at their phone. These are 5-minute fixes, and this is just going to be a series of videos just sharing a couple skills and showing what could be done with a spare moment of time. Let's start right here with this little thing. Got 2002 Mazda Miata. Gauge lights are out and there's quite a bit of dirt and stuff on this dash lens, so I want to clean that up, put some new lights in there. I don't like the red, so we're going to change them to blue, hopefully get a nice blue, bright blue numbers and dashes here. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is get this screw out and this here on this bottom panel, and then move on to this. Take this steering column cover off. You have 3 screws on the bottom. You remove those and just pull from the back, and the top comes straight up and out, and then you get a screwdriver here to get this dashboard cover off. Start right here in the bottom, pop it out, work your way up, and then same thing on this side, and this should pull straight out toward you now without breaking anything. Pull that straight out. I got my microphone attached to it, so I can't go far. Look at that mess. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's out. You can pull this forward. We have 3 connections on the back side here. 1, 2, and 3. Once they're unplugged, you can take the whole dash here, pull it out. Now, I got lucky because the new TL had all blue interior lights. My girl hated it, but we might find some purpose for them in here. Hopefully they're the same bulbs. And I wanted blue in here anyway, so this works out. Do the whole job for free, get the color that I want, and actually have some illumination, because the fuel gauge, this whole side of the tack, and most of the speedometer here was all black, no lights at all. And then there was one red light still somewhere over here that was just barely lighting up a little bit of the gauges here, and it was red, so I really didn't like it. Now to clean the inside of this, we're just gonna pop off all these clips here. Alright, that's off, but it looks like it's on the surface. Now we can access some of these bulbs here in the back. Looks like we got the big ones here, 4 of them, 2, 3, and 4. Usually give these a little twist, boom, they pop right out. That's why they're red. The bulbs have a little red cover on them. Not a fan. I might be able to use the bulbs that came out of the TL. This would be awesome. Free upgrade. You just pull on the bulb to get it out, and it looks like it's the same style bulb. Let's get a bright blue LED in there. Boom, got the LED in there. I'm just gonna slide it back into its slot, give it a turn, boom, do the rest. I also took out this tiny bulb here, which goes in right here at the very bottom where the odometer is. As you can see, it has a little orange cover on there. We're gonna get rid of that. See if we can make it blue or just make it white, take the cover off. A little bit of blue permanent marker on a new bulb. We'll see if it works. It probably won't be as bright as a bright blue bulb, but yeah, it might work. It might be blue. Put everything back the opposite that it came off, and check that out. Nice and bright. Looks awesome. Need to change these now. Looks better. That's how you change your dash bulbs.